Well, hello, Unity Bay Area, Houston, and beyond. Howard Caesar here, inviting you to join me this Sunday, where I'll be speaking at your wonderful ministry with your wonderful spiritual community at the 10:30 service. I've been there before and just thoroughly enjoyed our times together. Looking forward to this Sunday. My topic will be, do you have the will? We're talking about the powerful will faculty, which is so vital and important in terms of how we steer that in our spiritual growth and our day-to-day life as well. And I plan to make it a distinction between certainly God's will and our personal will, free will, and how that all works together and how it can really be directed for a powerful and meaningful experience of life and personal growth. And so please do join me. I'm looking forward to the experience. I hope to inform and inspire, and a wonderful experience with you this Sunday. See you there.